In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check reviews on Facebook Marketplace 2026. Step by step. When you're browsing for deals, reviews can save you time, money, and stress. Here's how to quickly find them so you can shop with confidence. Start by opening Facebook, either in the mobile app or in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in so Marketplace features load fully. Next, head to Marketplace. On the app, look for the small storefront icon on the bottom or top bar. On desktop, you'll usually find Marketplace in the left sidebar. Once you're in, you don't need a specific product in mind to see how reviews work, but it helps to open a real example. Select any item listing that catches your eye. This could be something you're actually considering, or just a listing you're using to practice. Inside the listing, look for the seller information. You'll see the seller's name or profile displayed near the title, price, or delivery details. Tap or click the seller's name to open their marketplace profile. This takes you out of the item page and into a page dedicated to that seller's activity, which is where Facebook gathers their past feedback. On the seller's profile, scroll until you find the section labeled Ratings and Reviews. This is where the overall star rating appears, typically shown as a number of stars and sometimes the total count of reviews. Keep scrolling to view individual comments left by past buyers. These snippets often highlight what matters most, whether the item matched the description, how quickly the seller responded, punctuality at pickup, packaging and shipping for mailed items, and overall honesty. If you see a strong star rating with detailed recent comments, that's usually a positive sign. Read a few reviews to spot patterns, not just one-off experiences. A mix of short ratings and longer comments is normal. If the section is missing or empty, it could mean the seller is new, doesn't have reviews yet, or hasn't sold many items. In those cases, rely on the listing details and clarity of photos to guide your judgment. A couple of quick tips while you're there. Check how many ratings contribute to the star score. Skim the most recent feedback for up-to-date behavior, and note any consistent praise or concerns. Reviews are most helpful when you consider both the score and the story behind it. That's all there is to it. Open Facebook, go to Marketplace, open a listing, tap the seller's profile, and scroll to Ratings and Reviews to see the star rating and real buyer feedback. Use what you find to make smarter, safer purchasing decisions on Facebook Marketplace.